Yeah, now let's take a look at the automated testing application. This is the main application, which will be used to edit and then delete, create new articles for the project. So we will take a look at the views first, and then we will go back to the URLs and then how it is mapped. So first, to understand how the basic application works, so let's take a small example of article deletion. So yeah, these three decorators. So first one, the staff members required. So the staff members required a decorator make sure that this view only accessed by the staff members, that is super user, like who has a more control, not by any other users even though they are logged in. If they are not, it will be asked to log in. Yeah, the login required. Yeah, of course the login is required, so which we discussed in the users application. So required method is post. Yeah, so this view only uses the article admin .html template. So through this view, yeah, so this accepts a post method. So the once actually request receives, so it will check for the articles and then it will do the deletion. This is a simple deletion, using Django ORM query set. Yeah, so once it is deleted, it will post the response saying that actually article is being deleted, and then it will redirect to the article admin. So that means it says the front page which has all the list of articles, so which we will take a look at it. Yeah, we'll go to the article admin. Yeah, so this is just displays the list of articles. So what is if it is a get method, and then if it is authenticated, it will get the articles, it will get all the articles, and then it will displays all the articles in the template. Yeah, so if you look at the template article admin, go to the stat, go to the templates, go to the templates, article admin. So yes, in this template, it extends from the base. We will take a look at it, what is admin base, where we discuss in depth about the templates, and then it has all the messages to display, flags messages to display, and then that necessary conditions to load which HTML needs to be loaded based on the conditions. So those conditions been set. So when it's admin article, it's a root page, so it will load all the articles from the components, all the articles. So in this article we will basically process the articles which is past this one. So we will process these articles in the article page one by one. So we will create a table structure within this we will create all these things. So we will make necessary changes, and then we will display it basically. Yeah, so we go to the article page. So this is the table structure which will be this one provides. Yeah, yes. So after this we will discuss one more piece of this one, article content, which is actually, if you understand this, like we will be able to understand the article creation or article edit. So this is very similar to the deletion, which requires staff member required, and then login required, requires HTTP methods are get and post. So get to display this page, get to display this page, where right now it is not, like go to here, edit, next page. So get this to display this page. Yeah, so when you post it, that means like when you move to the next one, this will be basically posted to the article content. So when you go to the next page, what happens? So let's take debug. Yeah, let's look at live. When you go to edit, it comes here, it goes to edit, tell us all these things, it saves the content, okay, which we don't need it, which basically saves the content to the database. Okay, we should be saving this, sorry, we'll just do it again. Yeah, so go to the post, so it comes to save, once it is saved, it will go to the else block. So because no expression happens, so it will go to the else block. So here what happens is important thing, it redirects the response to the preview. So basically this will not make a two calls from the client side, it will internal redirect, like, so this redirect like HTA, this reverse will look for this view, and then it will send us a response as a redirect. So yeah, so basically that means we are going to this step to this step. So yeah, once the save is completed, yeah, that's click next, it will go to the next page. So yes, this is what it happens. So what happens to the previous page? So the same thing happens, yes, the same thing happens, but it will be called directly from this HTML page itself, it will not be used any views. So we'll take a look at the articles admin, it will go to the new article, so we have a lot of sections. In this we will go to the article preview, go to the article preview, which is article preview. In this article preview, we have the previous one. So this will call the article content, basically article content with article ID. So that means this, when we put the href article URL for the article content, this will go and call this article content with get method. So basically this will be rendered with the requested article. So this will be similar for all the stages, this one, next, this will be all the stages for, this will be similar to the all the stages. Yes, that's all for the automation testing article application.